Allow me to explain the problem. I know the smallest multiple that 3 and 8 share is 24. So 24 is the LCM. We must change each fraction into an equivalent fraction with 24 as the denominator. First, let's change 1/8. What times 8 equals 24? Yes, 3. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. That gives us 3 as the numerator. So 1/8 equals 3/24. Now let's change 2/3. What times 3 equals 24? It is 8. Multiply the numerator by 8 and you get 16/24. Now that the denominators are the same, we can add these fractions together. 16/24 plus 3/24 is 19/24. We are super smart, right?
Yeah.